Hello friends, welcome to my workbench. I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. In this video, I am going to describe a very useful electric gadget which you can easily make at home, and this will be used for making curd or yogurt at home, especially in winter season. See, I saw my wife, usually women in India they make fresh curd at home. I saw my wife in winter season. She used to wrap the container containing milk and a little bit of curd in it, wrap the container in a woolen. And I thought, I once asked her, is it some kind of ritual to make the curd? And she started laughing. She said, oh, come on, what are you talking about? You don't need a ritual to make curd. This is just to keep the milk warm. Otherwise, I won't get a nice curd made in winter season. Now, yesterday I was just cleaning up scrap lying at my home, and I came across this mosquito repellent machine, which you will usually find in Indian homes. If you don't have one, you can purchase one. It is very cheap. And this black portion is the heating element. So you can remove the heating element, cut the wires and remove the heating element. So you can use this to make a curd maker. For this, you will require a plastic bowl of suitable size in which a steel container can sit. This container will be used to make the curd. Put the milk inside and it can rest here. So you can select, go to the some shop where they sell plastic goods, and you can have a suitable bowl and a steel container if you have it is lying at home, or you can purchase one. And now I have made two holes at the base of this bowl with the soldering iron, where this heating element can be placed like this, and this can be held there with two screws. Now first of all, before fixing it, now another thing you need is a flexible 2-core wire which will act as a mains lead for connecting the gadget to the mains AC supply. And you need two smaller wires. I have connected already, hookup wires. I have soldered these here, and these smaller wires will go to the neon indicator. This is the neon lamp indicator you can purchase from market, and there is a 100 kilo ohm resistor I have connected on one lead to limit the current. So this will be you can make a hole here where this neon lamp can be fitted. You can make a hole of the size of this neon lamp where you can place the neon lamp. So first of all, you scrape the wires of the heating element and solder these. Solder the wire using a soldering iron. Then you can hold the heating element in this crocodile clip jig which I have made, and you can solder the wire, these two wires. And before doing that, you need a heat shrinkable sleeve which you can slip onto the wires, and then after soldering you can push it onto the terminal of the heating element so that the terminal is not exposed and there won't be any danger of getting shock from AC mains voltage. So you need two pieces of this heat shrinkable sleeve which you can put on the wires, both wires. If you can't get a heat shrinkable sleeve, you can use ordinary sleeve, or you can use alternatively you can use insulating electrical tape. So then you solder the wires onto the heating element and you slip this heat shrinkable sleeve onto the terminal, and with the soldering iron you can heat it up. This will shrink and hold on tightly onto the terminal and the wires. But if you are using ordinary sleeve, then you don't need to heat it, or you can also use electrical insulating tape. So now the sleeve is tight and there is no danger of shock. Similarly, you can solder onto the other terminal, and then you can fix it there and take out the wires from this hole, like I'll show you. So both the wires are out, and these two red and black hookup wires, these will be soldered onto this neon lamp, and you can use two pieces of sleeve which you can push on the wires, and then after soldering the neon lamp you can place it here and then fix a 2-pin plug on the other side of the wires, and you can fix it with the screws. Now I have already made one gadget. I'll show you this one. This is ready. The heating element is fitted here with the screws. You can see 2 screws, and these black pillars, these are epoxy. I have used M-Seal epoxy. These pillars you can fix so that the container sits properly. That you can do. And so the wire is coming out from here, and the neon lamp I have fitted here. So when I connect it to the mains supply, this neon lamp lights up. That means the gadget is working, heating up, and then you can put milk with a little bit of curd or yogurt as a culture, and place this container over the element, and within 2 to 3 hours, we have already tried it, made curd at home, and within 2 to 3 hours you will get a nice solid curd made at home, fresh curd. So this element will keep it slightly warm. So this gadget is very useful, and I'll show you. Today we have already used another container and made a curd, nice solid curd, which was made in about 2.5 hours. Now let me explain this neon lamp. If you are not familiar, you can easily get from electric or electronic component shops, and I have fitted a 100 kilo ohm resistor. Now why you need a 100 kilo ohm resistor? See, I'll show you. This is the symbol of the neon lamp with a dot here. This indicates neon lamp. Now you need a resistor here in series with the one terminal. Then this is connected to AC mains. In India we get 240 volt AC here, and the neon lamp requires about 90 volt to light up. So here we need 90 volts. This is 240 volt in the input and 90 volt here. So across this resistor we are having 240 minus 90, which is about 150 volt. Now using and other thing is this neon lamp gives sufficient light even at about 1.5 milliampere of current. So this 150 volt over this resistor R, in order to find the value of resistor R, you use Ohm's law, which is voltage over current, and the voltage is 240 minus 90, which is 150 volts, and the current is 1.5 milliampere. Milliampere is 10 raised to minus 3. So if you calculate this, you will get 100 K. So 100 kilo ohm is the value of the resistor, series resistor, which you require. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and you will find this gadget very useful, very handy, very useful, especially in winter season. You can make curd. You don't have to then do that ritual. Oh no, I'm just laughing. That wrapping in the woolen. You don't have to do that. So this is quite useful. Thank you for watching.